Okay, in this second part, we will do the most important step, that is to convert our RGB image to the gray format. Because RGB is a three-dimensional, you can say that a three-dimensional matrix, so we have to convert it into the grayscale image. Then RGB to gray function converts T image to the T3, and now T3 is a complete black and white type image. Then RGB to gray of T1, it will be stored inside T4. Then RGB to gray of T2 comma T5, it will be stored inside the T5 after the conversion of RGB to gray. RGB simply stands for, you can say that red, green, blue are the color image, and gray is just like, you can say that, black and white. Then we are using this matte filter tool because we must have to use this to convert it into the format which is very essential for correlation. After passing via this filter, T3 and T5 will be stored in J and J1. Then we will take correlationship of J1 and J, because after filtering the images are stored inside J and J1. So correlation of two J1 and J, the correlation will be shown here, that is 0.9904. Why it is so? Because we have like, you can say that we have changed the image to some bit, like you can say that this is the first image and there is one line I made in the second image and there are two lines in the third image. So that is why when T3 and T4, sorry, T4 will be there like this, and we will press it. Now you will see that our correlation value is 0.9958. But when I will convert T4 into T5, so correlation value must be decreased. Why it is so? Because there is a little difference between first and second, but there is more difference between first and third. There is the difference of these two lines. So here we will see that the correlation value must be decreased out. So we will run it and we will run it. Okay, now you can see that both the values will be decreased. So hopefully you got the concept. One more thing, simple thing, that is we will convert like str, or it is, you can say that, num to str of r. So, and here dt is just a variable. We will convert number to string of r, and then we will throw this value on edit one comma string comma dd. So what it will be doing, it is converting numerical value of this r to the string value. This value must be same like 0.9904, but its format will be changed, and after the change of format it will be stored inside dd. Then we will set values. One is get and one is set, so we are setting or writing the value on edit one edit box. In the string is the format and dd is the string, and dd is the string, so it is 0.9904. So we must be like, when we will press it, we will see the value here, 0.99037. So hopefully you got the concept regarding the correlation or the image recognition inside the MATLAB. So thanks for watching.